my hair. So yeah. Oh, you rate my hair. My hair is done by me, of course. Yeah. Bye. 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 For now, my hair is done by me. If you leave me alone. Stop. Come in here. Why is she coming in every time? Why every time me I shoot one video, people say always come perplex me?
Because I'm monitoring you.
Yeah. So me and your channel, so me no must do things for.
So do I vlog
You gotta do a
No,
vlog.
do some cute next week then.
No, you're already cute. That's why I want because they're already pretty today.
No.
You are beautiful, I'm telling you. Trust me. Put on your spike heel back. I met her if you do I just put on back her spike heel and come. So this is what I look like today. I'm wearing these heels. Me can't put on back my shoes. Me trying to put on back my shoes. She don't want to come in a video. It's very hard to get Pepsi to support me in this channel. Very hard. And this channel is about me and her. Well, yeah, she had put this.
No, me and nothing.
Listen, it's so hard to put on your shoes and come take a video. So this is my throw over because it's getting very cold. And these are the shoes that I wore today to church. These beauties right here. Look, I love shoes. These shoes I wore to church today. And I cover myself with this. And this bag right here. These are what I wore to church. So I'm gonna put on the shoes. If you don't drop. Put on your shoes up, Pepsi.
No.
No, you put on your shoes and walk up. Come on, Pepsi, seriously. Put on your shoes and walk up. Yes, I'm not like your style sometimes.
But don't be
No, that's not how it is. You have to put on your shoes and rock your red jacket. I'm trying to put on my shoes. Anyway, sorry, me. Sorry, no Pepsi. Let me take this off.
I say giddy.
Of course, why not? This is my personality. So this is it. Pepsi, come back on my shoes.
No. Mommy, seriously, when my kid shoes fat. Push it on the back.
You can't push on the back. So this is my outfit to church today. My outfit. Yeah. I love this little simple dress. This is a very simple dress. My shoes right here. My bag over here. So I'm blending back the black bag with this right here. Yeah. I think my outfit is a really thing, Pepsi. But it look kind of look cute today. I did. But I black something here.
Your neck.
I ain't shadow. I saw.
Your neck color.
Yeah. So this is my outfit today. Let me see if I can walk. You know, Pepsi? Just come and stick a TV spotlight. So, yeah. This is how we looked. We went to church today. And then I show you earlier how I just throw this little thing on. And that's it. Okay, Pepsi, take this floor.
Okay, so this jacket is from. Where's from me?
Macy's.
Macy's. My shoes are from Fashion Nova. My bag, I don't remember where this
Macy's.
was. Yeah, everything is basically on Macy's. But this dress, I've been wearing it for a while. It's a little bit tight now.
You just show. So take off the jacket and show them the dress now. Okay, see? And she just throw a red jacket. Okay, so the dress can also be worn as a simple, elegant black dress. You know, everybody's supposed to have a black dress. Then she can button the jacket. Oh, that looks actually amazing. Look at her. Yeah. And her shoes, she said from Fashion Nova. Her bag is from Macy's. Her jacket. And ain't she look elegant? And her hair is from AliExpress. Yeah. Big up to AliExpress. She looks good though. You look really. And your necklace?
don't know.
Your necklace is from where? I think it's Macy's too. She's a Macy's girl. She like Macy's stuff. Look at her. Here she goes. Her little red bag complements back her jacket. Don't she looks elegant? Yeah, she looks good. No, she gone. This little girl, she is not a video person. So you see me and me strip down back, take off everything, cozy up, put on my bed. I'm gonna put my bed slippers on. She's definitely don't really like the camera a lot. So no, this shadow and this thing just make my neck look funny from far. You see? Yes, she's not a camera person, so she's definitely not gonna stay long in front of the camera. But as I told her earlier, this channel is about us because that's how I developed this channel. Call it iNeeks for a reason, because she is part of it. As I said, my 3 girls and I name combined together create this channel. So yeah, that's it. That's our outfit for today. I don't know this thing right here. I just love it. It comes in so handy. I think I bought this at Kohl's. I think I saw it and I was, oh my god, I love it. And you just throw it over. You can also put this thing over a pants. So look how it changed my entire outfit. As it comes with the cutout sleeve. Look, the cutout sleeve. You can just wear it over to the back. Okay, the back is like a V thing in the back, like a V thingy. It's like the same thing. See there? The back. You can just throw it over anything. You can throw it over a blouse, over a jacket, a pantsuit, pants and a top. You can just rock it same way. Throw it over a dress like I did, and that's it. I love it. It's very pretty. So guys, remember, I'm gonna do some more fashion videos where I show you pieces that I wear to church. Oh, look at this. You can do this subtle. Look. This looks good. This actually looks good. I could wrap something right here, Sarah, and wear it. So I can carry it some more. So it'll look nice up some more. Yeah. Look at this. Wow. Fashion really comes in different type of stuff. That's true. Could I just pin right, get a nice little silver thing or something, wrap it around here. And look at that. It's another way of wearing this thing. So beautiful. I love it. This thing is so handy and it's so versatile. You can do a lot of stuff with it. Let's see. I'm just messing around. But anyways, yes. So I'm gonna do more videos where I showcase our dress, things that we wear, go out, sometimes things that we wear to church, because we go to church a lot. And yes guys, you're watching iNeeks for Real with Alina Campbell. Yeah girl. Alina Campbell over here. And as I said, I just throw a black bag with this. And see? Good to go. I could just wear this out. I could wear this out. I could even wear this not only to church, but I could also wear this to a nice little date, you know? Nice little setting. Nice. I don't even know. What do you think, Pepsi? I could wear this to go. Wait, no? And stop. And stop perplex me. No, I could wear this. Look.
Yeah, but there's not much time. There's nothing still going. Okay, you consider it over weekend.
I could wear this go out to a nice little setting. Right? Thank you guys so much for watching. I love she come in here purpose, Miss Final. Thank you guys so much for watching. You're watching iNeeks for Real. And take care. I'm gonna show you more stuff different times. Not today. Bye for now. Take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Oh, my makeup. Rate my hair and my makeup. Oh, my hair is done by me. I forget. My hair is done by me. Throw it up into a little bun. Just a little protective style for my hair. So, yeah. Oh, you rate my hair. My hair is done by me. Of course. Yeah. Bye. 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 For now. My hair is done by me. You leave me alone. Stop. Come in here. Why is she coming in every time? Why every time me I shoot one video, people say always come perplex me?
Because I'm monitoring you.
Yeah, I'm monitoring me. You need to leave me alone. My hair, guys, is done by me.
She keep on repeating stuff. Like,
It's not a matter of
why do you
repeat.
need
It's
to
a
repeat
matter
stuff?
of Pepsi. Let me do my stuff. Me I try to show them some ear done by me.
How much them?
Your
You're
enemy
done.
No.
The ear they say the ear done by me.
No, but if you not say good, me I gonna repeat it again. The ear is done by me, more. See?
Yeah,
And I catch it up into a bun.
Alright.
Alright, guys.
Yeah, the ear is done by her. That must stick. Stick till you can't stick no more.
We can't. Let's see, you know, so I know why you have my camera in my video them do. We can't do this no more.
I'm embarrassing you.
You can't. You don't even leave this stuff alone. Leave this alone. Yeah, this is a good girl, man. Me put the camera up here, you know.
Exactly at night and day. Day and night.
Yes, because she stripped down, so me not do that to her still. Alright then, guys, remember like, share, and subscribe.
Don't think that was
Okay?
the ears done by me.
I might be say it again, just for annoy her. My hair is done by me, of course. It really sweet me, man. It's sweet me true because we don't know where she come from coming here, you know, I come perplex me. Anyway, guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe.
The ear is done by me.
Like, share, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
And remember, the hair is done by her.
Oh, God. Okay. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Okay? Take care now. Bye.